to the Sunday analysis episode 12. I'm gonna go straight right into the chat without a waste of time. Firstly, the XY. Expecting more up move soon. We have in the daily time frame, I think some bullish move, but as at last week, Friday, it closed down. So possibility of more moves to the upside is the high, or a bit drop down to the 50 zone before we start going up, which means probabilities of more sells on the USDPS. So as for gold is just keep pushing up, so I don't want to disrupt the flow. I want to look for more up move on gold. I don't want to sell more, as you can see, obviously. So more up move on gold. 80 card in the daily time frame. Seems like you want to create more up moves, but it's possible for it to drop a bit since it does hit this zone right here. So we're gonna pay a little bit more attention on it. That's what it's gonna make us know what is going to happen. I could pick this right here, as you can see, and then expect some sell here. So we still also have like a security level 89500, so we gotta pay attention to that also. 80 CHF we broke out of this thing. I'm 100% clear about what's going to happen in CHF. If it moves up 100%, let's look for a sell from here. If it moves up, but if it doesn't, I'll prepare for a buy somewhere around here. As you can see, we had psychological level 850. So 850, we want to look for more up move. So it just broke out of this high, so probably there will be more up moves. So I don't want to miss any up moves that's going to happen. 80 JPY pairs have been moving up, nothing more than more buys to the upside. So expect some lows, or when it pushes up, we'll start looking for some sells also. 80 USD. Actually, I don't know what's going on with USDPS right now, but according to the XY I just analyzed, we should probably expect more sells. So, and it hasn't broken above this one, so more sells. 80 CHF. This PHI looks simple. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. Maybe we'll experience another touch here and we'll buy more higher. That's my thoughts on this one. Or we'll break out of it, but there's possibility for a touch on it. JPYPS, more buys. We should watch out for the trend line. You can see in the daily time frame also, JPYPS are still moving up, so there's more up for more buys. We just have to get it from the next low. As you can see, look at how it closed now. It closed indecisive, like it has no direction. So there's possibility we might still see a bit of ranging. So when it gets up here, that's 100% look for a buy, for a sell back to around this spot. That's just my idea for it right now. So we could expect more buy touching here, give us some confirmation, and then we'll sell heavily. So let's go GP card. Okay. GP card. Watch out for confirmations around here. It just broke out of this trend line. So there are two things when something breaks out of trend line. It breaks out, it does a fake out as if it wants to keep dropping, and then it's a support zone or something, and then push back inside and then continue its down move. In this case, it might be actually crazy because GP card actually is on a buy trend, so this could be a fake out. So in short, look for more buys on GP card. Why on GPCHF? Maybe a touch perhaps, just like Euro CHF. So it will rhyme together. We could take GBCHF and Euro CHF, touch. We have maybe almost we could wait for it to hit this circuit level 1.13500 GPGPY mobile, obviously, like I said. If it pushes up, be looking for a sell, maybe a sell from around here, maybe sell from around here before it continues its up move. But if you see a low you could buy from, advise we take it from there. Same thing on this one, sell on it, it breaks out of the trend line, we'll look for more lows we could buy higher. NZD card, same thing as the card pair. Well, NZD card has actually been showing signs that it wants to drop, but actually it's the candle that we show us what we actually need. Let's go back to the NZD card in 4 hours time frame. Sorry, the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, as you can see, it has been pushing down lately. It will be bad of us to say we just want to buy out of it. This one could just be a bit of retest, as you can see what it closed like in last week on Friday, actually Friday. So we could expect an up move around here and then drop bearish, and then it will keep selling. So NZD CHF probably still going to be like the same as other pair. Yeah, this could be actually be nice. Sincerely, this should actually be nice because it broke out of this whole type of triangle range. So I would want to expect also a buy from maybe around here. We have a circular level here. We could use the circular level actually. Look for a buy more up though. Could take like 50% around here, because this is around the 50 zone. It could want to change direction and keep dropping, but we'll pay attention to it. NZD JPY, as all other JPY pairs, mobiles, don't let this trend line deceive you. I've 100% been in all these trend line scenarios, and it's always mostly the same thing. The fourth touch is going to be the breakout. Just watch. The fourth touch is going to be the breakout, and before we take the fourth touch, we want to take it lower. As you can see, we have 1 touch, 2 touch, somehow like a 3 touch here, and came back inside. So let's look for another touch right here. You can find another touch in NZD JPY around here. You can see a up move that will touch this trend line. Do that if you want to drop, but it won't drop. That will be a moment for us to add more trades, and then we break higher and get to this high. 100% is actually a very nice trade. So I want you guys to pay attention to NZD JPY. NZD USD broke out of this zone, which shows we could expect more down moves. So as of last week episode, I said that there's a possibility we just trend line and drop, or we also touch this side, as you can see, and then we'll drop. That's when the real drop will actually happen. So let's see if we could expect some more up move to this side and then drop here. Let's delete these ones. So probability of a touch around here and then fall. There's a probability of that. The it won't just fall immediately, as you know. It will take its precious time before it falls. Here's the CHF. Nothing. USD JPY. Mobiles. I won't say anything more, but mobiles on this hopefully gives us a low to enter upon, and then we'll take mobiles on it. Pay attention to this also, and this zone. Pay attention to confirmation, and then we'll enter. You will check everything in the Telegram group. We're going to release all the signal are going to be out in the Telegram group, so you won't want to miss it. So Telegram group is in the link below. Check the bio, is there, everything is there. So I think that will be all for the PS we're going to trade next week. So that'll be all, guys. Hope you enjoy this episode. I'll see you in the next episode, guys.